not getting the vaccine, get the vaccine and shut the fuck up.
Right. So a lot of people are testing my patients because he works for the devil.
Shut up.
He works for the devil. He works for the devil. I know he works for the devil. Because the devil will only have something to say about that. When you tell the people the truth, I'm not about to go back and forth.
We don't know what the truth is.
The truth is this.
This is 202nd Street.
Not him.
No, God didn't put me here.
God put me here. For all of you people right here to have life. Am I lying? Am I lying?
Yes.
I'm lying about the truth.
Yeah.
I am the first man. I am the original man. Am I lying? You don't have no. You just want to go back and forth with me. That's basically what the devil does. He picks a person, he puts something in their ear, yeah, let me tell him to speech out to this because he's sitting up there telling his people exactly what to do. Why I can't come out here and tell them exactly what I think that God is trying to tell me to tell them? Because you said I'm a moron and y'all get the vaccine.
Why are you wearing that?
Because I started wearing the mask before the COVID came out. Ask everybody 125th. They say, oh, the kid 7.
Yeah, why are you wearing a mask? Why are you still wearing a
I'm
mask?
not about to go back and forth. Ladies and gentlemen, like I said, young world, it's killed more people than it actually helped them. That's a fact. That is a fact. That is a
This is 207th Street, A, local train. The next stop is 72nd Street.
Mañana la llega de casa, me voy a buscar eso. Me voy a buscar eso. Dale, voy a buscar eso. Yo también voy a buscar eso, que levanté algo por aquí.
What else more you got to say? I just came out here. It's a love everybody. You want to go back and forth with me because you want to walk.
No, mami, yo ando con aquí en la playa.
I'm not going to what are you? You know what I'm saying? You understand that you should. What are you, sir? Because they're not going to tell you what exactly is real and what. I never caught the virus. I'm an athletic. I never caught the virus. So when I need you out, because you're overpopulated. I'm calling by more to let you know. And this is about money. This is about money. I'm speaking for the kid. You are worth something. I'm speaking for the kid because they ain't the same name. You fucking idiot. It's like you called them immoral.
This is 207th Street, A, local train. The next stop is 84th Street, Music City.
Stand clear of the closing door.
Please stop. Well,
Stop
I
using
think
God. Stop using God. Yeah, please don't use God. I'll COVID-19.